We'd like to call up all bird singers to come out and close it out for us tonight. But it's been a great deal starting off almost 20 years ago here getting this conference moving. When we first started our first Friday night celebration, there wasn't even, there was just a handful of people that came forward, and me and Mr. Robert Levi was always supportive of it. I'd go pick him up in Riverside, bring him over. And it was about the third year that we were looking at the program. And then we showed up, and then there was a lot of people here showing the interest that was here, and we continue to move forward in that educating people. So being to where we're at now tonight, this 19th year, we got fried bread booths, we got booths over here for culture and all those different things. And to have you staying here to see the last performance means a lot, not only to me, but to all the California Indian elders that we're celebrating today and honoring them at California Native American Day. So give yourselves a round of applause there. So we'd like to call all the bird singers up to sing out some more songs. But I wanted to also acknowledge that my mom, she's here. She's one of our elders from the Samoa Indian Reservation. And today's a special day for her because she just turned 21. It's her birthday. So let's give her a round of applause there. And as we're all singing happy birthday, we'll get all the bird singers up here to sound it out and close out the night. Everybody, repeat after me. Say, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom, Rena, Grandma. Happy birthday to you. Hey, happy 21.
Hello?
We're having a good time. We're going to go ahead and open up again with some Serrano songs. These are Serrano Bighorn Sheep songs. Oh, go, naiva, whoever, naiva, meno. Oh, 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 naiva, whoever, naiva, meno.